Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change view in Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to change it to default, or you want to change the view or appearance of Microsoft Outlook, what you have to do? First, you have to log in your account. So when you log in your account, here you will see setting options. Okay. So now you want to change all these things and the appearance of your Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so what you have to do is click on the settings. So when you click on the setting, here you will see four options. Okay, email, calendar, people, and general. So you have to just click on general. So when you click on general, here you will see first option is language and time, and second is appearance. So now here you will see dark and or use system. So like this you can choose the appearance. Okay, here you will see modern theme. You can also choose the theme which you want to use, classic theme or modern theme. You can also choose the color, and here you will see navigation bar option. Here you can just click on it, and you will see that use colorful app icon. Okay, so you will see there at the side, you will see the app icon will be colored. Okay, and so app names, you can also click on it, so you will see the color app name also be available. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So when you click on save, and here you have to just here you will see the app icon will be colored. Okay, now second is when you click just turn on it, you will see so app name also. Just click on save, and you will see app name also will be so. So like this you can change the appearance or change the view in your Microsoft Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.